Load up the cannon.
Ex-prescription bottles of mine using another purpose now. They hold a measured quantity of powder or black powder substitute, which is called Pyrodex. To our families, our kids, you know, we did this together. And then it became like a family tradition, and then it passed on down, and now my oldest son, Michael, you know, is kind of taking the reins, which is fine with me. I'm delegated to a helper, which is nice. Yeah, I'm gonna do a test firing. Smaller load, you know, just a load to clear the barrel and to see if it still works. No actual physical load. You have newspaper wadding, which just compresses the powder, you know, for the firing. Close up this powder canister and clear back, and I'm gonna go secure a lighting device, and then we'll see what happens. Everybody can go back to the big y'all.
It's a family tradition, as I understand it, with the house rats. Yes. His dad started it, and then Michael and the other boys came along with it. And then the first year they were here 4 years ago, they asked if they could use the point to do it. And to us, it's great for our guests and for us, so we loved it. And since then, it's just got better each year.
It's just Richland Chambers. Fisherman's Point is a pretty good spot, I guess.
Yeah.
There's only 2 lakes in our county. And this is one of the best spots. I guess it's about the best spot there is. I had never been out here before on 4th of July. It's my first year here, so.
There's several other developments that do their own small little fireworks, nothing like this, but this is probably the best place in the lake to watch it.
They plan, you know, what piece is going to come when. But today they've been setting up all day long, and they had music going at times, and they've been, you know, test shots and that kind of thing, just making sure everything's getting ready.
We're about to start setting up the layout. The table will be laid out and going to be wired according to cues. And make a slit on the side, slide it in, and tape it shut. Side there. So they were just they were going this way, west and east.
Which one's number 2?
Well, it's yellow boat I'm talking about. I can't tell by this.
You don't need to know.
Yeah, I do. There's a certain order of fire.
I know. Oh, I see what you're saying. I thought you were talking about because of the grounds.
Blue, yellow, red. I'm gonna leave the legend with you, and everything in parentheses is the cable marking. So the way it all started really was my brother and I, which, you know, you'll see him around, maybe he's King, that's his nickname, but anyway, he and I started doing shows together in probably mid-70s, something like that. And then we involved the kids, his kids and mine, and then that went on and became a pretty much family tradition of eating out, cooking breakfast out, fireworks show that night type situation. So then we rolled on. Boys always loved it, his kids always liked it, and so not a lot to it other than just everybody enjoyed it, looked forward to it pretty much a year round. Not up there with Christmas, but probably second. I'm gonna do a battery test, Steve, with that.
Okay, let us be clear just in case.
No, we're going over here with this little piece of stuff down here with the battery.
It is wild. People go insane. It's really good. He's done a good job all the years we've been doing it. I think this year is going to be the best.
This year we decided we just asked all our friends out and we'd have a weenie roast and we're going to have a big time and watch the fireworks.
Just got lucky to get it because it was booked. It booked, you know.
Yeah, and the fireworks show will be right there.
Yeah, so right. So
it's a good spot.
It's a good spot.
It was pretty good last year, you know what I'm saying, the year that I was here, so I decided to bring everybody else, you know what I'm saying, a couple of friends, let them check it out, see how it is. It's a pretty tight spot out here. Yeah, I like it, it's pretty good.
We have a fella down there called Nichols that in Cutshaw Chevrolet, they give away a car down there every year, and they put on quite a show down there. I don't know why we're not there, but we just happen to end up here. Now this year's been a bad year for sand bass, but usually those things just that whole top of that water in the mornings and the evening will just be boiling, and you can throw a lure and drag it through them, catch one after the other.
This spot's the best one in the lake. Don't get it. You're not going to get it.
Don't tell anybody that most of the time it's good fishing over here, because we don't want them over here. We're going to be on TV, is that what you're saying? I knew that'd be my break. That's my break right here. From now, I'll go to Hollywood, won't I? That's me. I was afraid of that.
Each year, they're asking more about the special show. So now the word has gotten around, and for the last couple of years, we did a little bit of advertising, just, we're having the fireworks. But now it's not even with advertising, except for a couple of posters. But they ask, is that guy coming again to do the fireworks? So
the transition to a public spot really came when we had several summers of drought. So with the drought, we couldn't afford to take a chance, around our homes and our home places. And so, lake, perfect place. This particular lake, it's okay to shoot them on this lake. On Tarrant County Water District owns this lake. So that's really when we moved here, and then we just saw that enough people liked it, where it became even more fun for us with that many more people getting involved as far as wanting it and talking about it. So then we kind of never went back home, I guess you can call it,
Big 2 minutes, 9 seconds. That looks like to me.
You're on number 18.
Yeah, American Power.
Okay.
That's not all though.
Okay. Where each time he fires off, these two will go together at one time. Then this one will be the second thing fired. And this will be the third thing fired. Where he can do it all off the board.
Red, number 18 on your program too. Is that what you're at? Is that where you're at?
We're on 18.
Okay, good.
Yeah, this is 18.
That's good. Doesn't hurt to check as we get toward the.
No, that's 18.
Okay, good.
How many you want off at a time?
You got 380. So pretty much if there's nothing else in the air, they need to be in the air. You got 16, 12, and 10.
Those go at the
So you got 38. You got 10 reloads of everything you got. Each of these things has to reload 10 times to get everything in the air in 31 minutes.
Yeah. If you look around, like say this spot and our vehicles and whatever, you probably see American flags on all of them. So it hadn't been just a firework thing. We pretty much had it was a connection. But as far as the love of fireworks, yeah, it's there for sure. And that's a big part of it. And the 4th of July just makes it a special occasion to do it.
I was actually more involved this time in getting all the wiring connected and stuff like that. But yeah, it's gonna be something else.
I've already started loading them, yeah.
A whole lot more than last year. I believe he spent a whole lot more.